Oh my god. So I think great with that. Oh wow. It's a dog. Home. So, wait lang. Gano'n ka na. So, guys, village to. Nasa village tayo. Yes, nasa village tayo. Look guys, sinerge ko na talaga as in village. Oh. Tignan nyo lahat. Look at this. Look. So, para something na makita ninyo na village talaga yan. At i-up ko pa siya. So, inano ko lang talaga, village. Villager. Pero napunta ako sa village. Di ko kaya gawin yan ha. Guys, comment nyo nga kung anong tawag sa village na to. Puro siya gawa sa ano, sand. Ay,